Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another episode with your favorite Cece ever. On today's episode of Cooking with Chow, we will be making something very dear to my heart. This is one of my favorite recipes ever, and I can't wait to show you guys what it is.
Hold it. I'm back again. Use my kickstand. We're back again. Mystery basket challenge for Chow. C-H-A-U.
Wrong.
You guys know the drill. She's got 45 minutes to take this mystery basket given to us by one of those food companies that gives you prepackaged meals to cook, and she has to figure out what she's gonna do with each single ingredient and make a dish of her own, and then we'll compare it to what it was supposed to be and do a taste test at the end of it. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Okay, go. Okay, welcome to yet another episode of Mystery Basket Challenge. Okay, let's see what's inside. Mushrooms, okay. Beet salad. What? What am I doing with beet salad? Onion, beans, Italian breadcrumbs, sour cream, beef, some potatoes, more breadcrumbs, flour, beef flavor, and beef flavor. What am I doing with the beef flavor? I don't know. We're just gonna start chopping, and then as I chop, I'm gonna figure it out. I don't know. Okay, I know what we're making. We're gonna make a style of borscht, ground beef, peas, potatoes. Yeah, we're gonna eat a stew today. I don't know what to do with the breadcrumbs. Oh, what if I bread potatoes and then make them as like a dipping sauce for the stew? I feel like I'm missing something. Are we missing something? So what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna have a pot. I'm gonna put onion, saute onion, and then I'm gonna add mushrooms. No, I'm gonna do onion. I'm gonna do because it's lean beef, I'm just gonna cook the beef in. I'm gonna add some beets, put it as stock, and then I'm gonna make some, I don't know, Parmesan potato crisp? I don't know. Okay, let's go. Okay, knife, potato. Okay, maybe I should do, what do I do with the Dijon? I think it's gonna be good. We're gonna do, okay, potatoes typically take like 35 to 45 minutes to cook, so I need to go fast. So we're gonna do thin, crisp, and then what I'm going to do is cut this, and then I'm going to add oil. We're gonna add some seasoning. Yeah, I don't know. Salt. We're gonna do salt. Okay, that's enough. That's a lot, actually. Then I'm gonna do some of my classic CWC tots with just a teeny bit sugar and some pepper. Do I have any chili flakes? Yes, I do. We're gonna add a little bit of some roasted garlic. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, then we're just going to toss it up. You want to put enough oil so that the breadcrumbs stick to the coating, but also that it kind of like fries it, and so the potatoes will be extra crunchy. Okay, so those are gonna take a while to cook. I'm gonna bump up the heat. I don't know, as high as it will go. Maybe like I'm gonna do 450. Normally I would do 425 for like 35 minutes, but we're gonna try it with that. Okay, next I'm gonna do some onions. Put a wet paper towel so that when you slice your onion, you won't cry. So typically the reason you cry is because it's looking for the nearest water source, which is obviously your eyes, right? I don't know, actually, I don't know. Don't quote me, okay? I'm not a scientist, I have no idea. That's just what they said. I know they normally in borscht, they don't have beef in there. It's just like a beet stew, and they add dill, and then they have this dollop of sour cream on the top. But we're gonna make our own version of it, okay? It's gonna have meat in it. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a stew. It's got beef stock. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a stew. I'm like 99% sure. This beet thing is really throwing me off. I think a stew would be great, actually. You know what? I'm gonna make a stew. And if I'm wrong, you can tell me what I was supposed to make. Maybe it's supposed to be like meatballs or something. I don't actually. Oh. I could do potato wedges with some beef stir fry. Let me make my soup. Okay, whatever, I'm making a soup. I made an executive decision. I don't know. What is it supposed to be? Okay, I have 32 minutes. I don't know. I'm blanking out. I don't know. Can someone tell me? Please. Okay, give me a hint. Give me a hint. Is it supposed to be soup? Do I get a hint? I feel like I get a hint at least. I'm so stressed. I'm gonna cry. Oh God. Maybe I won't crush all the beef so it can be a little bit chunkier. Okay, then I'm gonna add, well, I'll see how it goes. You know what? It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be, yeah. Next, we're gonna add some mushrooms. Peas cook really fast. I'm gonna wait to cook this at the end. We're gonna throw in some mustard. Add some beef bouillon. Flour. I don't know. We're just gonna, thicken it a little bit with.
So I'm purposely gonna make it nice and runny so that I can use the flour to thicken it up.
Big brain energy, okay? What? I'm using it, aren't I? Oh, wow. It looks scrumptious. Okay, I'm gonna go check on the potatoes. Ooh, the potatoes a little bit done. Oh no, they're a little bit crisp. Oh no. It's fine. Some parts are a little crisp. Hey, jeez, stop it. I misjudged the oven. Normally it's very, ooh no. So I'm gonna taste it one more time for flavoring. Again. Really spanking delicious. Add your peas in, just for color. Okay, and I think we're good to go. Is this what you're meaning when you said don't make the stew? I didn't know what else to make it with. 1 minute 45. We're gonna add, how do they do the whip the thing? Is it just a dollop? Is that how, is it just like a little circle? Like a circle or a little blob? I don't know. You better eat this. Mmm. That actually kind of doesn't actually look good. Okay, I'm done. I don't know.
4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your panties. Just kidding, drop your utensils. So guys, it looks like we have a soup here. It's red in color. It has a little dollop.
It is a dollop
Of yogurt.
No, sour cream.
Sour cream. looks like there's some potatoes in here. Nope, that's a mushroom. Looks like it's garnished with a little bit of cilantro, some green peas, and I don't know.
It's delicious.
Let's dive right into this. Okay, well here's my first scoop.
I can't. I'm gonna die.
It's a little stringy. Well, I mean, to complement it, you have this nice bowl of fried apples. Maybe we take this and we dip it in the soup. Well, let's give this soup a try first. Okay. It smells runny, and let's get some of the sour cream in here. There you go, eh?
That's so hot. Okay, go.
Oh, there's beef in it. Ground beef. Strong. It has a really strong acidity to it.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Yo, it's so sour. And then there's sour cream too. Why is it so sour?
So someone decided to give me a big jar of beets. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna make stew.
Beet stew.
Yeah, like borscht. It was like a play on Russian borscht.
What is borscht?
It's beet stew. It's like supposed to be sour. And then there was mushrooms and beef, so I decided to throw it into.
I feel like if you would have strained this would have just been good by itself. To be honest, I wonder what this dish could have been. Do you wonder?
Yeah, I don't know what this was supposed to be. So traditionally, there's no, what was I supposed to make?
Oh, I get it now. I understand why you guys are laughing.
Can I see it? I want to know what
Let me read it out to you, okay? So, with the mystery ingredients in this thing, plus the surprise ingredient.
The beets. Thanks,
beets.
guys.
Thanks guys.
Thanks so much, guys.
Thanks. Jeez. So this menu item from Mystery Food Delivery Service is called Salisbury steak meatballs.
What? I'm supposed to make meatballs? Okay, tell me what was supposed to be in it.
With mushroom gravy, peas, and smashed potatoes. So yeah, you went on a tangent on this one. Hearty mushroom gravy, smothered tender beef meatballs, and comforting chives smashed potatoes.
But that was
in
supposed
this modern take on a Salisbury steak. In a word, yum. This one, I mean, it's not.
Okay,
bad.
honest opinion.
Yeah,
okay.
it's not bad, but I can't stomach this whole bowl.
Okay, out of 10.
I would say 6.
Okay. Like if you were in
It's
jail,
really sour.
Sour like you. Okay, everyone. Thanks for tuning into yet another episode of Cooking with Chow with our special guest, Brian Pham. If you guys would like to see more episodes where I try to attempt mystery boxes, comment that below and we will try to include more of those in. Well, thanks so much for watching. We will see you guys next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Well, ciao for now. I do better than you.
That's a good.